Hi friends, this is your Srinivas. Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to discuss one more good question in our session number 4. In our session number 4, such a good question which is useful for board examination area. Dear children, the question is, let us see the question. Yes, the angle of elevation of top of a hill. This is called hill. This is called tower. Here two objects are there. One is tower, one is hill. Yes, the angle of elevation of top of hill at the foot of the tower is 60 degree. From the foot of the tower, we have to observe the top of the hill, which making an angle of elevation is 60 degree. Yes, and from the foot of the hill, angle of elevation of top of tower is making is 30 degree. Yes, 30 degree. Foot of the tower, we have to make the angle of elevation is 60. From the foot of the hill, we have to observe the top of the tower is making an angle of elevation is 30 degree. Then the tower height is given. Then the tower height is 30 meters. Then the tower height is 30 meters height. Find the height of the hill. This is a question. Two objects are there. From the foot of the tower to height of the top of the hill. From the foot of the hill to top of the tower, we are observing in two direction two angle of elevation. Now height of the tower is there with us. Now we have to find the height of the hill. Now we see, dear children, yes, what is given? Yes, height of tower. What are the given ingredients? We have to write one by one in your solution point. That should be divided by AB. AB equals to 30 meters. Clear. Now let us take, we have to find height of the hill. Yes, height of the hill, that is nothing but, we have to take an as DC, that is nothing but H. We have to assume it. Now angle ACB, that is nothing but theta equals to 30 degree, and angle CBD is nothing but theta equals to 60 degree. In these two are formed in triangle ABC. This is formed on triangle BBC. These two are thetas. We have to take from different triangles. Now friends, let us observe here what I am doing here. In triangle ABC, yes, by the concept of trigonometry, you know very well, the concept is like this. I have to take, where is the theta? Where is an acute angle? Perpendicular side of acute angle is nothing but opposite side. It is clear? Yes, this is opposite side. This is adjacent side. Clear? Now, dear friends, yes. Now, by the respect of this diagram, I am going to apply OS by AS, AB by BC. Yes, very good. That is nothing but opposite side by adjacent side is nothing but tan theta. From the triangle ABC, tan theta is nothing but AB by BC. We know AB value already given 30. Now BC you have to write as it is. Tan theta. In this diagram, theta is 30 degree. Here acute angle is 30 degree. Keep in your mind. So that tan 30 is equals 30 by BC. Tan 30 is nothing but 1 by root 3 by the table trick. Now that is equals 30 by BC, dear friends. Now BC equals 30 root 3 meters to D. Is this on equation number 1? BC 1 is BC, 30 into root 3, 30 root 3, this is the value of BC. Yes. Now I am going to take second triangle is DBC. DBC. From this concept, here also we have to apply the ratio concept. Yes, OS by AS, we should compare. That ratio is nothing but tan theta. Yes. Now tan theta is nothing but here, theta here located, then this is called OS. Now this is called AS. Tan theta. Now tan theta, here theta will be 60 degree. It is also angle of elevation. Now we have to find DC. DC is nothing but, we have to assume it H, substitute. Now BC you have to write as here friends. Tan 60 root 3 H by BC. Right. Now cross multiplication, BC is equals to H by root 3 comes to down meters. Put it is on equation number 2. Here BC From equation 1, here BC. From equation 2, we have to compare these two. From equation 1 and 2, from our equations 1 and 2, I am going to do the comparison. LHS spots are equal. Then we have to take obviously RHS spots. That nothing but 30 root 3 is equals to h by root 3. Do the cross multiplication. Otherwise, you have to transfer the root 3 value to left side. Now, 30 root 3 into root 3, that is equals to h. Root 3 into root 3, we know very well root 9. Root 9 value nothing but 3. Yes, 30 into 3, 90. So, h equals to 90 meters. That h is nothing but height of hill. Therefore, the height of hill is equals to 90 meters. Right? This is your pure answer of perfect question, dear friends. Yes. Now, what I have done, just we have to record 5 seconds. Yes. From the foot of the tower to, we have to observe the top of the hill, making an angle 60 degree. From the foot of the hill to top of the tower is making an angle is 30 degree. The height of the tower is given by the concept of OS by AS by the ratio of tan theta. Yes, we have to done comparison of two equations. We should get height of the hill very easily. Now let us see such a good question, 4 marks question. See here. Yes, you have to observe this question, such a good question, dear friends. The question is, the aeroplane is flying horizontally. The aeroplane is flying horizontally. At a height of, the height is 1500 root 3 meters. That means on earth to the height of the aeroplane is 1500 root 3 meters. Now above the ground is observed an angle is 60 degree. Here the aeroplane is flying at a certain point. On earth, we are observing the height of the aeroplane with 60 degree angle of elevation. After 15 seconds, the aeroplane moves ear to ear. We have to observe the same certain point when angle of elevation is 30 degree. Then find out what is the distance it travel. What is the distance it travel? We have to find in meters per second. Let us see that question, friends. Yes, here the height of the aeroplane is 1500 root 3 means the CV height and DE height is equal because it is in rectangle. In a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. Next, the first angle of elevation is 60 degree. That means BAC. Angle BAC is theta equals to 60 degree. It is located in triangle ABC, dear friends. Clear ABC, right? Next, height. Height means BC height is nothing but 1500 root 3 meters. This is also nothing but height of an aeroplane which is flying on earth to the sky. Next, we have to find we have to find this distance. Means we have to find AB distance and we have to find AE distance. Then we have to do subtract it. Then we should get BE distance. Clear? Now, I am applying here tan theta. Here 60 equitangle here there, that is opposite side is BC. By the knowledge of trigonometry, right angle triangle, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. Tan theta, theta value is 60 degree, BC is 1500 root 3 by AB. Clear? Tan 60, we know very well tan 60 value root 3 by the knowledge of mathematical tricks, trigonometric tricks. Now 1500 root 3 by AB. Now these two terms are interchanged and transport it. We should get AB equals 1500 root 3 by root 3. Root 3 get cancelled. 1500 meters. The distance of AB is 1500 meters. Put on equation number 1. Now you have to observe this is also one more right angle triangle. Yes, in right angle triangle AED. Yes. Now angle EAD nothing but theta is nothing but 30 degree, friends. Simple. Here angle BAC is 60 degree. Now second, after 15 seconds we have to observe the aeroplane. That angle of 30 degree means EAD. That is nothing but theta, 30 degree. We should find AE length. Yes, I should apply here tan theta is equals to OS D by AS AE, opposite side by adjacent side. Now tan theta, theta is nothing but 30 degree. D I said just now, in a rectangle opposite sides are equal. This side is BC 1500 root 3 means this side also 1500 root 3 meters only. Clear? Now we have to substitute in the place of D 1500 root 3. Now AE we have to write as it is, dear friends. Now tan 30 1 by root 3, that is equals 1500 root 3 by AE. Do the cross multiplication. We should get AE equals 1500 root 3 into root 3. Yes, root 3 into root 3. Root 3 into root 3. Root 9 value 3. That is nothing but 4500 meters. This is the value of AE. Put equation number 2. Clear. Equation number 1 we have to get AB. Yes, equation number 2 I have to get now AE. Now we have to find what is the distance it will travels on air. So that means B is nothing but from equation 2 minus 1. This is the equation 2, that is nothing but AE, minus this is the equation number 1, that is AB. Yes, this is 4500 minus 1500, that is nothing but 3000 meters. The distance it travels in 15 seconds, 3000 meters. This is a distance. We have to find speed. Yes, speed means by the knowledge of physics, speed is nothing but distance by time. Yes, distance 3000, time yes 15 seconds it travels 15. So 15 1 is 15, 15 2 is 30. Here 2 zeros you have to write. That is nothing but 200 meters per second. Yes, thus the speed of aeroplane in air in 15 seconds is 200 meters per second. It will travel in per second 200 meters. This is the way we have to understand such a good question. In the place of aeroplane, they have to give jet plane. You remember, in the place of 1500 root, they have to give 1.5 kilometers. Like that, same procedure you have to follow. Simple. You have to separate the two right angle triangles. Two acute angles means two thetas. The height of the first right angle triangle, second triangle should be same, because in rectangle, this is a rectangle shape. Now opposite sides are equal. Now OS given, we have to find AS. So that is the reason we should apply tan theta ratio. Here also tan theta ratio we should get from equation, and 1 and 2 we have to subtract it. That distance we should get. When you are getting the distance, and then we have to find speed formula. By using speed formula, distance by time. Time is 15 seconds is given in the question. Now you have to divide it. You will get the answer. Yes. I hope you, dear friends, you have to understand these two important questions now, which is useful for board examination area. I hope it, I assure it. Now this kind of questions I should give to you, practice it. That answer I will post in our next video. Now you have to subscribe our channel, give a share and like to us to encourage this kind of program. Thank you.